Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find out RAM type on Windows 10. At first, just open up your browser. Then on Google, just search for download CPU-Z. Then just go to the first link. From here, just scroll down and click on Setup English. Then just close the ad. Then click on download. And your download should start. After the download has been completed, just click on it to open it. You can minimize your browser. Just click on yes. After that, click on I accept. Click on next. Then choose where you want to install it and click on next. Then click on next again. Click on next one last time. Then click on install. Then just uncheck this and click on finish. Then you can just go to your search bar and search for CPU-Z and then just open it. Click on yes. Then just wait for it to load. And after it loads, just go to memory section. And from here, you can see what type of RAM you have. For example, I have a DDR4 RAM. And in here, I can see all other details of my RAM as well. And that is how to find out RAM type on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.